GPT-3, developed by OpenAI, GPT-3 is a language model that is capable of generating human-like text. It has been used for a variety of applications, including language translation, text completion, and chatbots. Self-driving cars. Autonomous vehicles have become more sophisticated, with companies like Tesla and Waymo making significant advancements in self-driving technology. Computer vision. AI-powered computer vision systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated, enabling machines to recognize and interpret visual data. This has numerous applications, including facial recognition, object detection, and medical imaging. Robotics. AI-powered robots are becoming more capable and versatile, with the potential to revolutionize a range of industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and agriculture. Quantum computing. Quantum computers use quantum mechanical phenomena to perform calculations, which could potentially enable significant advances in fields like AI and machine learning. Overall, AI technology continues to evolve and transform a wide range of industries, from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and transportation. As AI becomes more advanced, we can expect to see even more transformative applications and use cases in the coming years.